morning. Good morning once again. So I just want to use this medium to teach us something. You see, there are so many things that one can do with the Android phone or any phone that you are using. So there are many features that phone has, and there are many things that have apps now. Whatever have apps, you can actually use them on phone. So like there is this skills that I want everybody to have, and that is using our goggles. So using our goggles. So provided you have a Google account, a Gmail account, so you can actually be using Google on your phone without the computer. So it does not necessarily mean that each day you want to work on your docs, on your drive, and saving things on your phone, that you should go and be carrying computer. So like there are so many people that this is the main reason why they have not started looking for job remotely. You say they don't know how to press computer, or they don't have computer. There are so many things you can do with your phone. By the time you start working and earning money, then you can start buying your computer and other resources that you need to be a successful visual assistant. So now I always tell people that it's not all the time you'll be saving on your phone. See this phone you see here, if anything happens to your phone memory, you might lose all the informations you have. Like I have series of experiences whereby maybe I need some documents at a particular time, and maybe I don't have access to my computer. So what do? Because my documents have been saved in Google, I have saved all my documents, especially my credentials, my relevant documents, some trainings that I have saved them in a computer. So it's called a cloud-based system. So when you hear cloud-based, it means a place whereby you have saved something, even if you are not with your physical equipment and all that. You can actually have it anywhere you are in the world, and this is what most companies do. So there are many cloud-based systems. You can save on your Outlook, you can save on Google Drive, you understand? So you can save things such like that, even on other ones where you can save your documents on, you understand? So but I always advise people to use Google Drive, which is a more prominent and the most used cloud base to save their important documents, you understand? So because it's cloud based, if you ever have any internet access to your Google, you can access your document wherever you are. And what makes it more important is that even if you cannot send those documents, there is always a way for you to share. Like maybe if it's a highly voluminous document that you cannot start downloading and sending to anybody you want, you can actually just generate a link and send to anybody you want to see it. The person will see the document without touching it, depending on how you send it. if you send it to the person, that the person can view or edit. So it's either you say the person should view. Anybody with this link can view. Anybody with this link can edit. Anybody with this link can. So it depends on what you have asked the person to do with the document. So, like, I remember when I was processing my international passport, after everything, I went there. The day I was going, I was saying, I don't even know what they are going to ask or what they are not going to ask. I was just imagining. So I just said, well, I don't need to bother myself since all my documents are cloud-based. Let me just take few things. So immediately I got there, I got there very late. So they were asking me, where is this one? I said, I have it. Where is this one? I said, I have it. Local government identification, I have it. This one, I have it. This one, marriage certificate, I said, I have it. So they were asking me all those things. I said, I have them. I don't really have them in hard copy because carrying of hard copy is no longer, it's just maybe stressful, or if you can have it online, so you don't bother yourself. Like maybe you are traveling for school runs and all that, you don't have to start carrying or carry your originals and all that. You understand? Unless it's required. But if it's not required, because it's cloud-based, so I always encourage people to, if you don't have all your original certificates, original credentials, and so many other things in your Google, even your work, the works you have been doing, that it is time for you to have it. And in this video, I am going to show you step by step on how you can use those things on your phone, provided you have a Google account, Gmail account. So, and mostly everybody now have Gmail account, because any phone you buy now, it directly takes you to saving your informations on Google. And it also helps when your phone lost, or when you are looking for some basic informations or any updates regarding your phone, you get it through Gmail account. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. There are apps for docs. Docs is the app where you can work your documents. Like that means when you see that thing they are used to say Microsoft Word, that is the docs. Microsoft Word, that is the one that we always install in our computer. The one we always store in our computer, that is the docs. Anything concerning documents, you can type, you can write letter, you can do all sorts of things on it. You can even write your books. Sorry. You can even write your books there. So now, this is it. You have to install it. I will show you the apps, so you can go ahead and install them on your phone to enable you to work wherever you want without a computer. Maybe you got a job and it requires you to type, you can actually type. Another thing is Google Sheet. Google Sheet, because you have a Gmail, you can install it in your phone. Google Sheet is Microsoft Excel. That is Google Sheet. So in case if somebody is telling you, Google Sheet, don't allow yourself to be deceived. It's just the same thing with Excel. You understand? Then when you hear Google Slide means Microsoft PowerPoint, where you present your slides. You understand? So if you know all this, so when you hear Google Slide, it means you are using Google Microsoft PowerPoint, where you use it for presentation and all that. So in this video, follow me. I'm going to show you the way you can even save in your drive. You understand? So another thing is Google Drive. Instead of saving directly on your phone, that when your phone crashes, or your phone have issues, start running helter skelter. I've lost all my documents, I've done all that, I've done all that. So instead of that, you just go ahead and have your Google Drive. Save all your documents there. I will show you how I save. I have up to 4 or 5 Gmail accounts, and you can have as many, up to 100 of Gmail accounts. You can have it. You understand? So now I'll show you how you can save your things in your Google Drive, and show you how to install Gmail account on your phone, how to install Docs, Drive, PowerPoint, slides, and how to save on your Google Drive using your phone. So follow me in this video. Let me put you through.